Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp one-time image or see WhatsApp one-time image multiple times. Now it's a very easy process. Open your WhatsApp. Now over here I have my one-time image. Now make sure not to open the image at the very beginning. So firstly what you have to do is go back, go to the three dots at the top right, go to settings, then chat, then create a backup by clicking on chat backup, then back it up. Now just simply wait until the complete backup process is complete. And now once the backup process is complete, go back to the chat and just simply open it, whatever it is. Just simply open the chat. You will see it right over here. Now, as you can see, it is now opened. So now what you have to do is go back and log out of your WhatsApp account. So it's a very easy process. Just simply clear the cache data of your application. Just go there, then clear data, clear all data. And now you're logged out. So if you open the WhatsApp application now, it will again ask you to log in. So choose the language, then click on agree and continue, and enter the number and do the complete verification process. Now after the verification is complete, make sure to click on continue, then allow, and now this panel will appear in front of you where it will say looking for backups. So just simply wait for a few seconds over here and then click on restore. Now wait for a few seconds again until the entire thing is restored. And as you can see right over here, the restoration process is complete. Now click on next. Enter your name. Then skip it if you want to add a passkey. Now again, wait a few seconds. And now right over here, the restoration process is going on. But if you click on the image that we just opened, you will find that the image is still unopened. And if I want, I can reopen the image and I can see it. And you can just simply repeat the process as many times as you want. If you want, you can just simply do a specific backup on a particular drive and then use that particular drive to restore the backup. So that's the process that you can try. Or the most simplest option is just simply take a screenshot of the photo from a different device. So that's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.